Hello, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to be learning about the extrude cut, which is like the opposite of the extrude. So to start, let's click the face, this face, and let's select sketch, and let's go normal to let's add a circle, center circle out, and let's make the diameter for that circle 40, and once you have something like that, let's now go to feature and click extrude cut. The same option that is available for the extrude is also available for the extrude cut. The extrude is always adding material, and the extrude cut is always cutting out material. That's a way to think about it. So for this, we're gonna click blind, and we're going to make that dimension 4.8, and we click OK. So you should have something like that. So now we're gonna come back, click this face, sketch, normal to, let's add another circle. Let's make this circle 26. And let's extrude it. Go back to your feature, extrude cut, sorry. Extrude cut 27.2. And you click OK. And another way to see what you're doing is you can click on the section, and if you click section about the right plane, okay, so that way you can see what you do. So in fact, you can section it. I want you to section it, and once you section it, click on this face again and go to your sketch tab, click sketch, normal to. Now we want to add our last sketch, add a circle here, and make that circle 20.51, and click OK. So it should look something like that. And now go back to your feature, extrude cut, and then you want to make that a 22. So, and click OK. So there you go. You should have something like that. So that's a good way to see what you're doing. And while our section is still open, we'll do the same thing on this side. So now we want to click on this face, click sketch. You can go normal to, add your circle, and we want to make that circle 22, and we want to extrude it 12. So extrude cut 12. So 12, and click OK. There you go. And now one more, we're gonna click this face again. We're going to sketch, normal to, and we are going to make that 18. Should look something like that. And we're going to do extrude cut, and this one will be 10, and let's click OK. So you should have something like that when you. So now what we need to do is something we just learned in the previous lecture. Let's do it again in this one. So now we want to, I want you to mirror this face, these two features, not the face, these two features to this side. So I'll give you 3 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, So to mirror this face over, you need a plane. So we'll click on the right plane. We'll find the plane, which is the front plane. Then since we know it's the front plane, we can now click on our mirror. On this drop down, we want to select the front plane. Features to mirror, we want to mirror this face, this feature, and that feature. So those two features are in here. We click OK, and now there you go, our features has been mirrored, and that is what it looks like, and we can turn off our section, and that is what it looks like now. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Please make sure that you save your works. Please save it. Thank you, and I'll see you. Bye.